Hello everyone, welcome to Faith Nelly's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you the best way to fry sweet potatoes to be crispy but not greasy. Let's get started. First, peel your potatoes. Then slice them into your desired shape. I like my potatoes in triangular shape or in pie shape. Put the sliced potato in a bowl of water. Add a teaspoon of salt into the potato. Let the potato sit in salty water for 5 minutes. Letting the potato sit in salty water for 5 minutes does two things. It seasons them and removes excess starch, making them perfect for frying. Then, drain the water from the potatoes. Heat oil in a pan over medium temperature. Add the potatoes and fry until light golden. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. As you can see, the color is light golden. So you remove the fried potato from the oil and place them on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. That's it. Your crispy fried potato are ready. Enjoy as a snack or side dish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up. It's my first video on this channel. I'm Okonkwa Chinelo and I have passion for cooking, and I'm so happy to share my passion for cooking with you. On this channel, I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to make cooking simple and fun, and also secret ingredients to make your cooking taste so delicious. And I'll concentrate also on healthy diets. So just subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell on to be notified each time I drop any video. Keep cooking and stay blessed.